AVS International presents Agrikut Power Weeder 7.5 HP Gold Light. With the help of a power weeder, you can make horticulture and fruit or vegetable cultivation easy and advanced. This power weeder, available at a very low price, does all the work easily. With this, you can easily do the work from plowing, hoeing, and sowing. The machine can be operated quite easily. The fuel consumption of the machine is only 700 to 800 milliliter per hour. In this machine you can work by applying different types of attachment like a single plow, double plow, etc. Along with the machine, you are provided with a 3 feet wide rotavator set of 24 blades, which is adjustable, allowing you to operate in less width as per your requirement. The design of the machine has been made in a very special way so that the farmer brothers can work throughout the day without getting tired. The additional feature of inbuilt headlights has been given in the machine, with the help of which you can work at late night and even early in the morning. The facilities of PTO shaft have been given in the machine, in which you can use spray pump and water pump etc. to irrigate the crop and spray pesticides. With the help of a power weeder, you can grow multiple crops simultaneously as shown in the video. The price of Agrikut Power Weeder 7.5 HP Gold Light is just 46,000 rupees. You can easily book the machine by contacting the company numbers appearing on the screen. Join our campaign to develop the country by making agriculture progressive through new technology. Agrikut's identity is good machinery and happy farmers. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all your friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.